Franklin Fueling, a global leader in fueling product solutions, has placed a great deal of emphasis on the containment of cables on forecourts over the last year. ENTV popped to Ipswich, not far from London, to meet with Head of Engineering, Paul Ridge.
At Franklin Fueling, we manufacture everything that you don't see in a petrol service station. The big overriding factor with Franklin is that we can do the full end-to-end process and the full end-to-end product offering. So we have the connection points onto dispensers, which are the shear valves, all the safety equipment. We have the tank gauging equipment, which is monitoring the fuel in the tanks. We have the sensors, which are monitoring for any leakage in the system. And it's all integrated into the Evo controllers so that it's looking at the system live and alarming if there's any issues. It's very easy to say a pipe's a pipe. The pipe that we use is a combination of materials put together in a way that is far more robust than any of the materials in isolation. Our pipework system is seen as the best in the world. It's an extremely robust system using materials which allow electrofusion welding, and as the system is welded together, it becomes one part, one homogeneous piece with no leak paths. And what we've done with the CableTight solution is we've made that as robust as the pipework. Our customers told us that they spend a large amount of money every year dewatering chambers and sumps where water is ingressed into the chambers. They have to pump it out in a safe way because it's a contaminated product, and the CableTight solution addresses that, stops the fuel leaking out and stops the groundwater leaking in. The other point that we have within Franklin is that we look at the whole build process from one end to the other. So whilst we train contractors and certify them to install our equipment, we work with the designers, the fuel system designers, and educate them on the best, most optimised way of building the station or laying out the station.
I'm here on the Shell Barton Mill site, just outside Bury St Edmunds in the UK. Now, Franklin Fueling products are absolutely integral to the running of this forecourt. However, we can't actually show you anything because it's all going on below our feet. Nick sat down with site manager Karuna Yanasegaram to find out how Franklin Fueling products benefit him on a day-to-day basis.
We normally get the fuel deliveries and we need to be analysing the tank gauge reports, and everything is connected with Shell. So once if that failure, we can't run the business. So it's every single hour we need to be monitor these things. It's working very carefully. So far we didn't get any problem with these equipments.
Thank you, Karuna. This is Nick Needs, reporting for ENTV from a very busy Barton Mill Shell site.